All right, guys. So I have it all mocked up on there now. It's all tacked. Don't need the hoist anymore. And I tried to get it a space as best as I could, but um, I don't know. I really wish. I don't know. I'll definitely try and do whatever I can to suck it in as far as I can, and like tuck it up as close to the tailgate as I can. I don't know. I definitely want to suck it in as close as I can. That's for sure. Um, and then I already made sure, tailgate goes down and stuff. And then I took it off so I could tack them right there. This one's really gappy, but that's no big deal. I got that. Um, and then I gotta still put these plates in. That's why I didn't tack it, right there. I did it at the top. And I got that this one's like perfect. So this one fit really nice. But this one, like, it's tight down here, and there's that much of a gap up there. So this one definitely didn't get produced right. But I mean, it is what it is. That's just how it goes. I gotta work with what I have. So I'm gonna finish welding the brackets now. As you can see. Oh, did I tack the other side? I tacked the other side of that one. And this is the one I started with. You can see my starting tack. And in the corner, I kind of missed it. But at the bottom, I got it. And then I went over here and tacked it up so I could take it off the hoist and hold it. And same with over here. You guys can see right there. I put my name on it too. Yeah, so it's all tacked up. And I gotta finish welding the brackets before I start, closing everything off and going from there. But and then also I noticed I gotta figure out what to do about my trailer adapter. Whether I just, put it, down here now, or yeah, that's probably best, honestly, because it's lifted. I don't use drop down hitches. I never have, even with my old lifted truck. And I think the trailer dragged once, but the car trailer that we have, it's actually nice to have the extra tilt. Well, it's more of a bobcat trailer, and it's kind of hard to load cars on it. Even loading up my two-wheel drive that's outside, that was pretty close. So it's definitely not the greatest. Definitely would like to get a new one. But anyways, for that reason, it would be nice to have it down here and easier to hook up. Don't need to worry about not having enough wire to plug in. But anyways, I'm gonna finish welding up the brackets, and then it's gonna be these plates next, and then I'm gonna start building the outward part. So that'll be exciting to see. But let me get this all finished welded. All right, guys. So actually what I'm going to do, obviously since I don't need the hoist anymore, I'm going to pull it out, turn it around, pull it back in, and just finish up at the back. But it would be nice to lift it up on the hoist so I can actually get under it. Yeah, it's lifted. I could obviously get under it, but I weld exhaust like almost every day, and so I'm just used to standing. And plus, I don't want to get burned that bad. So, like sitting on the ground. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to lift it up, get underneath it, and then I can do everything from the back anyways that I can do right here. So it'll just be easiest that way. And that's just, how I'm going to do it to finish it all up and get everything tacked together. And just go from there. All right, guys, so I started welding it together last night. You can see the penetration from it. And then the bumper, like, I don't know, it just got like way too cold or something from having the door open, and it was 45 degrees out last night. And then, it's metal, so it's gonna obviously get, really cold. And I don't know, like it just like wasn't really sticking to it. It was, my puddle just kept on rolling off. And so I was like, you know what? It's probably because the bumper's so cold. So I'm gonna try again today. It's like what, probably 60, 70 degrees out right now. So I'm gonna see if that was the problem and see if it don't weld better now. I mean, I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of. So I'm just gonna go and see what happens. And I got my buddy coming over, Johnny, and he said that he wanted to help out so that we can get this thing done. And yeah, so here goes nothing. Oh, and also one more thing for you guys. I got a battery put in the remote for my bow tie right there. So now it's all legal. That's white. That's white on the remote. So that's just how bright that thing is. So this is awesome. I love it. So now I don't have to worry about getting pulled over unless it loses connection and maybe resets, but let's hope that that don't happen. Alright guys, so Johnny helped me hold up the pieces so I could tack them on there. And we got this side really nice and tight. You can see right here, it's really nice, and up here. But on this side, I don't know what happened. I think we were worried about it hitting the headlight up in here. You can see my finger, but like, you know, I can clearly fit. Okay, I guess it is a little tight, but like, you know, I got a finger width away still. And so we kind of messed up. So it's like overlapped, as you can see there. And there's a gap right in here and right here. So I gotta fix that because over here, this side's like perfect. Well, almost. Yeah, I still want to fix that. But like it is tucked in so tight there. Wow, it's actually really glossy too in the camera, surprisingly. But this side, like I could still fit, like it looks pretty good right there, but when this piece was on, right here, I could fit my finger in between it. So it's like I'd have to hold it up with the hoist, or I just go through the work of taking my tacks back off and then getting it fitted better. And then what I'm gonna have to do is on these pieces, I gotta grind a little bit off of here and get them to go in just a little bit more, because I don't know, I just want it in more, because like that would be fine for flares, but you know, I just want to clean it up a little bit better, so I'm gonna get that done.